Want to download Love Island USA app? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily download Love Island USA app. First thing first, move into the App Store on your device. Here in the address bar, you need to search for Love Island USA. Move ahead to this application right here, Love Island USA. In order for you to install, simply click on Get. Now click on Install at the bottom of the screen. You have to enter the password of your Apple ID. Once entered, tap on Sign In and wait for a while. And there you go, the installation process has been started. Now all you gotta do is wait for the downloading process to be completed. Also, you can see that the process has been completed and the application has been installed. Now click on Open in order for you to use the application. Once opened, follow the on-screen process and use the app. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.